everybody, it's Valerie here with our US postal worker, Dino. And we have our baby Gekko with super Gekko muscles. Where's your super Gekko muscles? Can you show us your super Gekko muscles? Yeah, there's your muscles. How old are you? 2.
My muscles.
There's your muscles. You have a lot of muscles, huh? And today we have a really cool Halloween party game. It is called Trick or Treat. So for this game, there are some tricks and treats inside these cups. So I made this game, and you could make this at home or for a school party. It's just these plastic cups. I hot glued the cups with a hot glue gun and glued it to a poster board. So it's pretty easy. And then I put napkins and a rubber band around it. So you can either poke inside the cup or you can take the napkin off. So, do you know? Wait, there's Toby. Hey, do you want to see if you can find a trick or a treat? Oh, we got 2 at once. What did we get? Let's see, a McDonald's toy and a little cart, looks like. 2 surprises. It's a McDonald's Happy Meal. Hey, and you opened up 2 surprises. What are you doing, little Gekko? So what did you find? We got a cutie car. We got the adorable cheesy rider. And it includes a cheesy Shopkin that goes inside. Isn't that so cute? It's a little mouse. There's some cheese on top. And what was the other thing you opened, little Gekko? Huh? What's that? Is that a lollipop? Or a Pikmi pop? These are so awesome. Do you want to open it up?
Yeah.
Here, Toby, why don't you help him, okay? And who did you get? Dash? Let's see who we get. And this is the second series of Pikmi Pops. Oh, what is that? Oh, a rhino? That is so cute. So we got Rock, who is common. Awesome. Yeah, and that, the rhino. Cute. Now it's Toby's turn. What one are you going to get? A trick or a treat? Can you poke it through? Oh, wait, I think did he get it? Whoa, yeah, he did. Okay. What is it? Legos! Awesome! This is a hot dog cart. So this will be cool.
My turn.
Yep, so now it's our postal worker's turn. Whoa, that's a big fuzzy ball. This is a brand new Moose Toys Pikmi Pop. It is a cotton candy edition. So it looks like cotton candy. And it smells so good, huh? You want to smell it? and then you turn it right side out and it'll be an animal. So let's see what we get. Oh, that's a cute little purple kitty. Aww, I love little kitties wagging its tail. And then there was another surprise in here. What's that? A necklace? Is that like a little tag for your pet? So it includes a little hologram sort of bracelet. Then on the other side it says, "Very best friends forever." How cute. Okay, little Gekko, do you want to open up something else? Yeah, punch a hole in it. Punch, punch. Yeah, or do that. You got another Pikmi Pop. Wow, you're lucky. Do you like those? Yeah, maybe you knew. Okay, so there it's open. There you go. What is that? Whoa, that one has stripes. Is that a lizard? Oh, it is. That's so cute. So you got Camo the Chameleon, who is also common. So you got 2 of them, huh? Camo and Rock. So now let's look at the cool hot dog cart. Ta-da! This makes me hungry for hot dogs.
And cotton candy.
Yeah, and cotton candy. Okay, now Toby, open up something else. Whoa. What's in there? Trick or a treat? Oh, it's a treat. You got a cement mixer and a police car. Hot Wheels toys. Awesome. Look at this one. This one really spins. And it can dump. Yeah, and there's a police car. Woo, woo, woo. There's Dash. Okay. Tommy's going to go again. What did you get? A trick? What is that? Dental floss. I thought that'd be a funny trick, but maybe you like it.
It tastes like mint.
Does it taste like cotton candy from all those new toys?
Mint.
Mint? A treat. Okay, go ahead. Both of you can go. Yeah, you can open it. Yeah, go ahead. What's in there? A trick? What did you get? A paper clip. But maybe that's not a trick. Maybe you could use a paper clip for your root. And what did you get, little Gekko? Oh, cool. Mac. Okay, what do you get? Oh, these are brand new. These are really cool. We haven't opened these yet. So let me see it. What is it called again? Ooshies? These are Disney Ooshie blind bags. Okay, what do you have? Oh, cool. You got a Disney Car Toys blind bag. What's that? Winnie the Pooh?
Oh, it's a fire truck.
Whoa, do you want the fire truck? How nice. Yeah, you like fire trucks, huh? What is going on there? Oh, okay, so it's kind of like a figurine. And it's a little bit squishy. Toby, go ahead. Soft is it? What is it? Oh no, you're breaking it! What is it? This is kind of, what, you got a leg? Frog legs, yummy! I think Gekko's a little bit concerned about that. Frogs are his friend. So you got some frog legs and another kind of leg. And guess what? That's one of the grand prizes here because I have a whole bunch of them back over here. So you can have all of these. These are called Animoodles. They're really cool. I'll show you. They have magnets in them and you can mix and match them. So you look, whoa, the unicorn's head popped off and then, its leg. And then what's over here? An elephant. Isn't that cute with a hair bow? Like it has a hair bow.
I hit the jackpot.
You hit the jackpot. Okay, but we still have a few more things to open. So why don't you open one? Yeah, and let me see. I'll open one too. Oh, cool. Another Ooshies. And then, oh, you got something. Did he get Ooshies? I'm going to open one. What did I get? Ah, cool. I got some cars. These are wooden ones. And look, ta-da! Going through the garbage.
I think I got it.
Okay, what do you have?
Oh, it's Mr. Incredible.
What? Really? Cool. Mr. Incredible.
My turn.
Okay, what are you going to get? More Ooshies. Holy cow. We got all of those at the end. Oh, did you get, is it Mowgli from the Jungle Book?
Maybe.
So it kind of looks like. Write it down in the comment section what you think that is.
Okay, my turn.
It has to be, I think. Trick! You opened up the last trick! A hair tie!
You can use it.
Thanks. Hair tie, haha. What else is in there?
Oh, look what you got!
Oh, a cutie car! And there was one I think you poked out, but we didn't get yet. It's our last one. That's Catboy with a cool blue mask and one of these party blowers. Ah! Woo! Let's see if we got any rare ones. Do they have rare ones? Yeah, collect all 48, it said. Oh, you got Jessie. Cool! Party time! So we got Jessie, who is rare. Woo! That was Mr. Incredible.
Whoa, Did you see this? Look. When it drives, look.
Whoa, that's awesome. When it drives, the hot dog moves. Here is our kitty car, and its name is Speed Camera. It looks like it's a little puppy. So there's a camera, and it looks like it's printing out a picture. So I have some cold water in a cup. You could just brush this, so I kind of want to see what happens if the car just gets a full dunk. 1, 2, 3, woo! And let's see if it changed colors. Ooh, it's cold water. Whoa, it's purple.
It's blue.
Yeah, some warm water turns it blue. Cold water turns it purple. Yep, and now the kitty car is a convertible, just like Disney Car Toys' awesome convertible. So Toby's playing with the Animoodles, and look, this one has all the heads. What happened there? What's really cute, so there's the cute unicorn, the monkey, frog, a sloth, and an elephant. I also have this card with them, the Animoodles. There's Randy the orangutan, so that's what it is, an orange orangutan. He's a clever thinker. Hey, Pete, I'm talking. Then there's Hazel Sloth, who does peaceful yoga. Miguel Frog, joyful musician. Brandy Lion, who is a brave vegetarian. I don't know about that one. I don't know if lions could be vegetarians. And then Iris Unicorn, who is a lost adventurer. And then there's Sophie Elephant, who is, oh, this one's a limited edition. Gentle historian. Cute. So what's going on there, Toby? There's an elephant tail, but then a lot of legs. So funny. I'll make one too. So here's my creation with Sophia the elephant, but she has some wings like a unicorn, a orangutan hand, oh, a unicorn foot, lion foot, and a froggy hand. I think that looks actually pretty good. And there's our mailman's creation. Looks like a lot of legs too.
All legs in one body.
Yeah, all legs and a orangutan body. Hi everyone, please remember to like this video and subscribe, and write down in the comment section if you think this would be a fun Halloween game.
Hey guys, look how big I got to now. I can't stand up in here anymore. I'm stronger too. Look at that. I'm the biggest out of the PJ Masks team. Now I am unstoppable. Even Romeo's inventions can't stop me. I've been working in my lab all day. I have a new invention. It's a shrinker. Catboy has got some really big lately, but now I will shrink him. But first I have to charge it. Okay, it's working. Time to get Catboy. Look at that! That was awesome! But I'm maybe not too good at driving. Hey Catboy, look at this! Oh no, 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 no. What? Yay, it worked! Little Catboy. Oh, you are so cute. Tickle, tickle, tickle. You are a little baby. Now I can raise you as my sidekick. And we can invent stuff together. Yay! Give Romeo a hug. Do you want to work with Romeo? Yes or no? Yeah! Come here, baby Catboy. Let's go to my lab. Woo! I am playing with Catboy at his house tonight. Where is he? Catboy! Maybe something happened to Catboy. Hey, what's this? Romeo is a shrinker. Maybe Romeo shrink Catboy. Oh, those were reverse button. I need to save Catboy. What should we invent, Catboy? Boy! No, we're not going to make more Catboys. We should invent more Romeos. Shh! Romeo's in there. Let me use this. Hi, Romeo. Save Catboy. No, don't get Catboy. Ha, I got you. No! Ha, that didn't work. Oh, Catboy, you're so small. I need to change the switch. Oh, no. Oh, you're so cute. But you need to be bigger. Let me try this again. Yeah, I'm back to normal. Good job, Gekko, you did it. You saved the PJ Masks team. Now we have to get Romeo. Let me turn on Tranquility. No. Don't do it. PJ Masks. Got him. Whoa, he got small. I'm going to put you on my toy shelf. Like and subscribe and have a great day. Hey! We should always have two Catboys. Catboy, why are you eating your tail? Hey guys, what do you do? Yeah, let's go play.
Tail on?
Yeah.
Okay, run around and play.
I'm a Catboy daddy. I take care of my son. I don't let him play with Romeo.